Okay. Hello, this is my first time on this sort of thing. So, this is first time on here. Upgraded. I'm upgraded in my setup. Anyway, this is an awkward first video, but still. Okay. Never mind. So, we're gonna be playing some Slime Rancher. I've already played this before. I actually have my own little playthrough here. That's already pretty far in. But we're still gonna do this. We're still gonna do this, and we're gonna have some fun. Sometimes it crashes and stuff. That happens. Stuff like this happens. Sometimes it crashes, sometimes it doesn't. Anyway, for those of you who want to watch, read this, and you can. I already know all this stuff. You just pick up them slimes and then put them in here. No. We put them in here. Yeah. And inside of all, you gotta get more slimes. Yeah, you gotta get more slimes. Also, you gotta get these. Pogo fruit. Now, pogo fruit and carrots are very essential to Slime Rancher, as they are the key thing that start off your entire run. Your playthrough of this game. Now, I'm going to be sort of rushing through some stuff. Because I've already played this game, and I've gone past some of the parts. And so, this is mostly going to be a fast playthrough. I will make more videos with some of the games I do have, but I will edit some of these parts out because this is my first time editing now, and so yeah, this will be my first time. Anyway, this is our beginner playthrough. I'm gonna be playing for a bit, and if you want more, just keep watching. If you want more, then just like the video. I'll do more, probably, if I forget. I'm stupid. Anyway, I am too self-aware. Kind of. I like these little guys. Yeah. Pogo fruit. Yeah. So basically, what you gotta do is just grab their plorts. See this? These are their poops. The crap. The poo-poo, the crap, okay, of the pink slime. And so for some reason people want to buy your poo-poo, the poo-poo from the slime, the crap from the slime, and apparently they want you to give it to them, and they'll give you money. I don't know why, it just feels awkward. Yeah. I gotta get enough money in order to buy higher walls, because these guys will jump out and try to escape. Like, they stack on top of each other and they try to escape. I'll mostly edit some of this part out, so it'll be more faster. I'll probably cut out right now till when I have like a lot of like a higher walls and some other stuff into there. I'll probably cut back to when I have like Tabby right now. Okay, I am back. So, future me should have probably edited that out. Edited all the parts I got to get, like these new species of slime. And I'm about to get the higher walls. Not right now, but later on. Anyway, oh. See, this is why you need higher walls, because then these guys will jump out. Also, I got rid of some of my pink slimes because I've learned my lesson from the past. Do not keep so many slimes in the same spot, because if you do, then they'll overload and they'll just become a mess of just so many slimes in different places. They'll jump out, they'll try to escape, and they'll make tars. Tars are basically like a mix of 3 different kinds of slime. You see, this guy's a cat, and these guys are rocks, and these guys are pink. If these two mix, they make a Gordo. Watch. I'm gonna make a Gordo slime. Hold up in a minute. I just need one of them plorts. Okay, there. I get one of their plorts. And I feed it to this guy. Yes, they eat the poop. And now he becomes big, and now he's big, and I can feed him carrots now. I can feed him carrots, not just meat. Because the tabbies only eat meat, and now that they're combined, they eat meat. They eat both meat and veggies, which is good for me. But if any of these guys mix with them now, they will become a tar, which is basically like they'll basically die. Because like tars are very dangerous, because they kill your slimes and they try to attack you. In an early game, that could be very bad and very harmful to your ranch. So try not to do that. You gotta get it garden most of the time. So yeah, I feel like we should end it off on a note of me getting the high walls, because I feel like it should end there. Or at least, like, you know what? Let's extend this. We're going all the way to day like 5 or something. Let's at least get it to day 5. I don't want to spend so much time on this. Oh yeah, phosphorus flames. I gotta get these bad boys. I gotta get these bad boys. I gotta get them. I gotta get. No, I want him. I want you. You. These guys, they die. They die whenever you put them in light, in the solar. So I need like an upgrade to my coop, to like the freaking corral, which basically makes it like a solar shade, so these guys don't die under the sun. I can take them out at night, but at day I don't want to take them out at all, because they will die if I do. Always save a carrot. Always save a carrot. Always save a carrot. I say always save a carrot because always save a carrot. Oh my Largo. Yeah, I already had a Largo before. What did you think? I didn't. What did you think I had before? Oh yeah, by the way, if your health goes to 0, which mine is at 30 right now, then you immediately die and the day skips forward to the next day, which is bad for me. Where did that phosphorus slime go? I'm an idiot. I shouldn't have let it go. Ah, there's. I don't want it mixing with the other ones. I might, you know what? I might end it on me getting the phosphor plort or something. No, higher walls for these guys. I'll end it off on getting higher walls than these guys. I will get you. Here you go, food. Food, you big pink bastards. I don't want them mixing, so I gotta get them. I'll put your pink floor right there. Put you over here. Yeah, see, they're stacking, so they're trying to get up. They're trying to get up by stacking, but it won't work. Nighttime work. It's amazing. I gotta get this carrot for this guy. Yeah. Come on. Carrot time. Come on. Eat the damn carrot. Eat the damn carrot! You guys are dodging the carrots like it's a bullet. Got it. Okay. This is gonna be a quick and simple video. Basically just introducing you to my new world of Slime Rancher. So yeah. This is like the Kickstarter. So I hope you basically enjoy this video. As far as it's going in. I'm so close to getting higher walls. I just need one more or something. I just need more, like a little bit more, and I get it. It'll be a quick and simple video. The rest of the videos that I make on this game will be longer. They'll be longer over time. Eventually, we'll get to places that we will go that will be incredibly looking. I mean, I've completed the map on my other save. So we're gonna go to some of the places I already know about, but they're gonna still be fun, because everything is fun in this world. It's fun. I like fun. Honestly, I wanted to... That's why I kind of wanted to record this game, because it's fun. It's not too, it's not that, like, old. It's not like adrenaline popping or something. It's not like friggin' so friggin', I don't know what's the word for it. I'm stupid, so I forget some words. Okay, this is basically the end of the video, because I'm about to get these higher walls, baby. I don't know if I'll get an end card one day, but I will. let's end off with saying goodbye to these guys. Goodbye. Where's the